Hello. Today we are looking at how to install Toontown Rewritten on a Chromebook. Please take note that due to an error in the game, the fonts are broken and words are blurry and missing. But besides that, the game works. Firstly, we will change one setting on our Chromebook to install a newer version of Linux. To do this, we will go to this page and enable the change. The link is in the video description. Choose Bullseye. Now we will reboot our Chromebook. Now we will turn on Linux apps. To do this, we will go to our system settings and click on the advanced section on the left panel. Now we click on the developers section. Now we will turn on the Linux apps. Now that we have enabled Linux apps on our system, we will continue to the next step, which is to run several commands in a terminal, which will install Toontown Rewritten. All the commands are in the video description. Now we will copy the first command and open a terminal session from our app menu. Next, we will paste the command into our terminal, either with a two-finger click on your terminal or click Ctrl, Shift, and V together. This command will update our Linux apps repository. Press Enter. Now we will install Flatpak with the second command. Press Enter to confirm the installation. Now we will download the Toontown Rewritten installer. Now we will install it. Press Enter to confirm the installation. Press Enter again. Press Enter again. Now we will set the permissions for one package so that we can launch Toontown Rewritten. Now we will remove the installer. Toontown Rewritten is now installed on your Chromebook. Let's launch it. Enjoy!